This is a cream gel tutorial. We're doing 2 fingers. We're wiping them with our nail surface cleanse wipe, filing the free edge of our nails, shaping them. Then we're going to get our pusher tabs here. There's an adhesive in. We're going to peel that back, stick it onto our cuticle pusher, and now we have a tab. We're going to go ahead and remove the shine off our natural nails using this tab. Now we're going to re-wipe the surface of our nails with nail surface cleanse, and we're going to apply our base coat. This is the Foundation Flex. After we apply and cap the free edge, we're going to cure this in the pocket LED light. The light does have a 45-second timer to it. I'm going to flip the light over so I can do 2 fingers at the same time. When you first take your brush out of the box, it's going to be a little stiff. You're going to notice that when I apply this on my nail, it's going to be a little sheer and streaky, and that's because the brush is very hard. I recommend that we clean our brush with artificial nail remover. So here we have that. Clean it off, and that's going to make your brush a lot softer and make your strokes a lot more even and your application much smoother, and you can get better coverage. You'll notice the coverage on my middle finger is going to be much better than my index finger, and that's because I clean that brush off. Also, the angle of your brush and the amount of pressure will also have an impact on how your finished look will be. So if your angle is about a 45-degree, you're going to be scraping more gel off. Also, with a lot of pressure, we'll be scraping gel off. If you're more flat towards the nail, you may be laying it down a lot easier, and applying less pressure, you'll get more gel. Apply your top it off, give it a cure, and then give it a wipe. If you didn't get any product on your skin, you should have easily 21 days of wear.